Hey besties, it's date night, so we're not even gonna do too much. Let's get right into this video. Now, after we get our skin all clean and moisturized, we're gonna go in with our favorite primer. I like to use the one size primer, but you could use whatever that you prefer. If you like something sticky, then by all means. And of course, this is a all powder, no foundation kind of look. I've really been loving this. This is like my go-to glam, guys. So I'm just going in with my foundation powder. This is in the shade 420 by Fenty. You could use whatever foundation powder that you like. I just prefer using this one. Then I'm gonna go in with my concealer, and this is from Born This Way, Too Faced, and this is in the shade Caramel. Once I have my concealer set in the placement that I want it to be at, I am going to take my concealer brush and I'm going to spray it with some setting spray. And this one I'm using is the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. I just put it in a little bottle, that way I could travel with it. And I am not going to be blending out my concealer just yet. I am just simply just patting it down in place. That way it can get a little bit tacky right there. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with contouring my face, and I am going to be using another shade of the powder foundation. This is in the shade 470, but I love to use it just to contour. Now, since we're using all powder foundation products, less is more. So I just contour the places that I like. I contour under my cheekbones. I contour my chin area, and also my forehead and my nose. If you guys take the extra step in bronzing, or if you have like your favorite contour or concealer, definitely put your girl on. I love trying new products, so let me know what is your favorite concealer and what's your favorite contour. Now what I'm doing is, now I am blending it out. Now that I finished doing my contour, I'm gonna blend out my concealer, and as you can see, it's so flawless how it's blending out. Like, it's creaseless, no crease, and it's blending out so nice. So now you're gonna do the same thing to the other side, and then I like to also take my brush and just go over my eyelids a little bit. I also take the brush and I just go under my nose, and also just in between my eyebrows up there on my forehead. Now, if you like to get a more of a brighter look, feel free to apply some more concealer under your eyes, preferably a shade that is lighter than the one that you are already using. So now, just to add a little bit more color to my face, again, I'm just going to finish up with my contour, setting that as well. And the one that I'm using is the Bronze Duo by the Juvia's Place. That's the one I'm using. And honestly, guys, this one has been such a staple in my makeup bag. So if you guys have any recommendations for any bronzers or contour, like I said, definitely leave a comment down below, because I would love to try some new ones. So right now we're gonna set that concealer under our eyes, and I am just going in with also a powder. This is a pressed powder, foundation powder by One Size. And when I tell you, this is a game changer to setting down your concealer. And if you are looking slightly up while you are setting it down, obviously you will be avoiding a lot of creasing, so you won't be setting any type of creases. And this is in the shade Medium. I love me some of this blush right here. I love a good orange blush, and this one is creamy, so I like to use this one. And then I also like to set it with an orange blush on top. That way it'll set it nice and beautifully. This is perfect for like a quick, like, go-to, a quick everyday. It's not doing too much, and I feel like on us black girls, the orange tone definitely looks the best on us. Like, it's so cute. So now it's time to set the rest of the face. So we're gonna just set everywhere else that we did put the powder foundation. This is just a universal powder. I'm using the it's the shade Honey by Fenty as well. But you could use any face powder that you like. If you like to use MAC, if you like to use any type of pressed powder, like now would be the best time to apply that. And once I do that, I just let it sit just for a little bit. And now I'm just going in with my translucent powder. You could use any translucent powder that you like. Let me know if you guys had tried the purple one yet. The purple one from Huda Beauty. I see all the girls are raving about it right now. I don't know if I feel too crazy about it. I mean, I feel like it'll look nice on maybe the whiter skin, but like on us black girls, like what the hell are we doing? Like what are we doing? But I did see one black girl use it, and it didn't look bad, but I feel like it just kind of made her look ashy. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do my wing off camera. So now that we're done with that, I'm just gonna go in with a clean brush, something empty, nothing on it, no powder, no nothing, and we're just gonna take it and just brush off all of the excess powder that's left on our face. Haven't already, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, leave in the comments, tell me what was your favorite part, tell me what's your favorite makeup that you guys like to use, and also your favorite concealer and contour, because what, put your girl on blush. And that's why I keep saying blush so weird, but now I'm just applying the orange blush, and that's like really the final step. And of course I'm gonna go in with my chestnut lip liner by MAC. Okay, now let's get into this lip combo. I've done this lip combo multiple times, and this is like my staple. Definitely go check out some of the videos in my channel, because you're gonna be seeing more of this. I love brushing out the liner to take out that harsh line, and it just gives it like a nice ombre effect, especially if you're going for a nude look. Look at this, y'all. And the butter gloss that I normally use is in the shade Madeline, and I love it. It is my go-to. And I recently just tried a new one called Creme Brulee, and y'all, I love that one too. For the final step, we are going to just set our face, y'all. Yeah, just see me using one setting spray, but best believe I use two. Okay, the Charlotte Tilbury along with the One Size is my go-to to really lock in and secure that look. Now let's take down our hair. Who is she? Now I really love this look, and if you guys really like it too, definitely let me know in the comments, and I'll definitely catch you guys in the next video. I am hungry. I'm about to go enjoy my day. I'm in AC, and yeah, it's time to get lit. Bye.